This Alliance Properties property video is presented by Velma Ellison. Great starter home. Located in Newport Subdivision, a master plan community with lots of great amenities. Community pool, tennis courts, gym, private lake and river access, parks, walking trail, splash pad, 18-hole golf course, pro shop and Stonebridge Country Club. This well-maintained home features fresh paint, laminate floors, granite countertops and oversized back patio on a spacious lot. Open concept perfect for entertaining. The possibilities are endless to put your personal touch on this charming home. For more information, review the details below or contact Velma Ellison at 281-328-8700.